Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold closed at a second support of 2638. Yes, yesterday we discussed about two support levels. The first support was around 264849 area, and the second was around 263839 area. And the first support gave a tick-tock bounce, more or less good bounce, but this market just closed at the second support. So things are a little bit odd right now. Okay, let's discuss one by one. So first of all, when we were discussing about gold yesterday, gold was trading somewhere around here. And we discussed that, okay, if gold goes for a breakout, then we can go for a buy. But gold failed. And ultimately, we saw correction on the chart of gold. Gold came to our first support. It gave us a good bounce as a day trader. Then gold came to a second support and market just closed at the second support. So if you have any ongoing buy on the chart of gold, hold your buy position. After the market opening, we can expect at least 40 to 50 pips on the chart of gold. At least we can expect gold to head towards 2643, 2642 area. If it fails, then you can exit from the buy position immediately. Okay. And if we just look at the hourly chart of gold, my dear friends, we can see that gold is forming higher highs. Technically, formation of higher highs indicate that market is bullish, but things are a little bit odd here. Why? Let me show you. If you look at the daily chart of daily chart will do. Okay. If you look at market sentiment, okay, we can see gold erases earlier gains is to 2640 per ounce on Friday. Trimming gains for a week as market heated hawkish expectation from the Fed. So the big bull factor is missing right now. Those who are expecting gold will be heading towards 2750, 2800, 3000 level. Okay, before NFP, chances are very less, because after NFP, things may change because we will have new fundamentals. But as of now, we don't have any big fundamental reason that will take gold towards that level. Okay. And this is the contracts data. We can see that we also have good number of contracts standing at 2700. So if gold goes up also, there will be a good fight between buyers and sellers around 2700, 2690, 2700. And if you look at 2800 contract, we can see we have around 8000 contracts. So chances of market breaking 2800 in the month of January is very less. As of now, I feel that 2700, 2690 is a big resistance and market won't be able to cross that. And moreover, if you look at the data like this, okay, you can see that we have good addition of contracts. Okay, we have good addition of contracts. So there is a possibility that, okay, the big guys, okay, have the big guys are only sells are right now. Okay, they will not allow gold to go up that easily. So 2690, 2700 is a big resistance on the chart of gold as per the contracts data. But if you look at the support side, okay, if we look at the support side, we can see that, okay, unlike the resistance, okay, support side is little bit weak because 2600, yeah, this is the only big support right now, and in comparison to the 2700, 2600 seems to be a weak one. Okay, so if you look at the contracts data, you can see that yes, we have some addition of contracts around 2580 like that, but 2600 or before 2600 things are a little bit shaky. So if gold falls also towards 2600, 2580, don't be surprised. Okay, let's see what the charts are saying so that we can find out where are the trading opportunities. So the weekly chart comes first. Okay, I won't look at the monthly chart because monthly chart is too slow for me. I don't like the monthly chart. Okay, so on the weekly chart, we can see that market has formed a spinning top this week. Last week, market formed a doji. So both the candles are signifying that there is an indecision in the market. It also signifies that the battle between buyers and sellers are still going on. If you look at the daily chart of gold in front of gold, then we can clearly see the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. But if we zoom in, then we can see a different story. The overall chart may be an uptrend, but we can see the market is slowly forming lower highs, and the formation of lower highs indicate what? It indicate that yeah, there is a possibility of a trend reversal. But personally, I don't believe that there will be a big fall coming on gold right now. Chances are very less. For a big correction on the chart of gold, we need a huge, humongous fundamental reason which is missing right now. But yeah, there is a possibility that we may see some further correction on the chart of gold. For example, if gold falls to 2580 or gold comes to 2500, okay, I won't be surprised. But possibility of gold going towards 2400, 2300, okay, is a little absurd right now. Okay, but yes, there is a possibility, yeah, that gold may show these levels 2580, 2550 very soon. So overall chart may be an uptrend, but yeah, I'm saying that there is a possibility of a good amount of technical correction on the chart of gold, not trend reversal. If you look at the Forex chart of gold, then we can see the Forex chart is showing a sideways market. Okay, it's showing a sideways market here, and recently market has formed a lower high. So if gold breaks this particular area and comes down to this level, don't be surprised, because it's a sideways market, it's a choppy market. Now let's talk about the trading opportunities. So let's go back to our beloved hourly time frame. So market closed at our second support, which was around 2638. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position, no need to exit. You can exit around 264345 area, and if market shows good amount of upside, you can exit around 2650. Okay. On the other hand, if market shows downside, if you see the market is going down after the market opening, in that case we can look for buy around 263132 and 2622 2620. Remember these 2622 2620, 2622 2620 is still a valid support, and now we have also 263132. If market comes down with low volume, then 263132 will be our first support. In case of a good amount of volume on Monday market, then 262220 will be a second support. Because for the last couple of months, okay, we have witnessed many surprises on Monday opening, so I don't want to comment. 263132 because of previous support plus FIBO 50% retracement level. 2622 31 we are considering because of FIBO 50% retracement level. So both are FIBO levels, but you can see that along with FIBO levels, we also have support. Again, I'm repeating 263132 because of FIBO 50% retracement level plus previous support. 262220 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level plus previous support. You can see the previous resistance is also acting as support, and here we have the 100 moving average. So both are good levels. I think if market stays normal, then we can expect some bounce. How much? 50 to 70 pips. One thing I would like to add here is that, my dear friends, no level is permanent, so do not trade blindly. If you see that there's a big red candle at 2631, obviously you should avoid buying. Use your common sense. Trading and common sense go side by side, don't forget. And in case of a sudden selling pressure, in the market, you can see I have drawn a big box here. Okay, the big box is 2584 2600. This is a big zone for the buyers. So 2600 may not work. Market may go towards 2584 2590 area. If market shows price rejection from below, wait for at least 1 hour. If you see market taking support around this area, then this can be a good buying opportunity. Okay, and as of now, okay, we do not have any buy and breakout kind of a scenario, because for a breakout we need gold to move above 2666 area, and 2666 is far away because market closed at 2639 2640 area. But yes, next week if gold breaks 2666 area, then we can look for a buy above it. And as I have already explained, then 2690 2700 is a big resistance because we have good number of contracts. But as of now, trading opportunities may seem limited, but yes, you need to stick to the levels. Scalpers have an open hand. Okay, if you're an experienced scalper, then you can do a lot of things. For example, you can look for a sell around 2650, you can look for a sell around 2655. Okay, these possibilities are also there for you, but I do not want to discuss those opportunities because those are not very reliable. So let's wait and watch how does the market open. Okay, the market opening will be important, but as we have NFP coming up next week, we can expect that market may not be a unidirectional market, but the एक ट्रेंड को market follow नहीं करेगा. Maybe we will just see a market like this, choppy market. Let's wait and watch. Time will tell. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely week.